Hi, I am Lakshman. I am Senior Manager Technical Service. I represent Callington India Private Limited. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. The uniqueness of our organization is that whatever we make products which provide sustainable solutions. We make products which are all environmental friendly, and our aviation products are having Boeing and Airbus approval, which is a very unique value proposition for the end customer. And we not only provide chemicals, we provide solution, end-to-end solution for the customer. I am Lakshmanan. I am heading the technical services in Callington, India, and we provide innovative products and we provide end-to-end solutions for our customers. We are an 60-year-old Australian-headquartered company. We are into specialty chemicals. We provide solutions for aviation, we provide solution for industry, we provide solution for defense,